Today we read from Isaiah 18 through 22, and in this passage, the words Lord Almighty are used 16 times. The Hebrew word is Shaddai, which we've sung about a few months ago. Root words in Shaddai translate to these three meanings. One is all-sufficient one, rooted in the imagery of a mother's breast, or shad. It portrays God as the nourisher and sustainer who provides all needs. The second one is overpowering Almighty One, translating to one who overpowers or is utterly victorious. And the third one is God of the mountain, implying a mighty, unshakable refuge. Let's respond in worship with the song Almighty from Chris Tomlin.
You have no rival, you stand alone. The heavens worship before your throne. There is no one like you. You have no equal, your kingdom reigns. Yours is the highest of every name. There is no one like you. Standing in the presence of your majesty, you're holy, you alone, the sovereign crown of royalty. You're the King of Kings, Almighty, our God eternal, the great I am. There is no one like you. Eyes like fire, face like the sun, a voice like thunder, who was and is to come. Standing in the presence of your majesty, you're holy, you alone, the sovereign crown of royalty. You're the King of Kings, Almighty. I see the Holy One, high and exalted. I hide my eyes and I tremble before Him. I tremble before Him. I see the Holy One, high and exalted. I hide my eyes and I tremble before Him. I tremble before Him, Almighty. We're standing in the presence of your majesty. You're holy, you alone, the sovereign crown of royalty. You're the King of Kings, Almighty.
He alone is sovereign. We can rest in it. Thank you for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd.